బ్రేక్ కొట్టుకున్నట్టుందిరా. బ్రేక్ కొట్టుకుండానే స్లో అవుతా ఉందిరా. చూడే అప్పుందా ఇదే.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to Dharmasthala and it's a 3-day trip. From there we'll be going to Shivamogga, Murdeshwar. It's a round trip. So let's prepare. All our luggage system is ready. We chose this big bag. So we are going to put this one inside that. This is a trolley one. Yeah, it's very easy to carry. So it's too heavy. So I'm going to fit this inside. This is a 58-liter box, purposefully taken to store luggage like this. So first, will it fit, Lakshman?
It might, I think. You have to do some jugaad. Oh, it's gone.
It's gone. Clear.
Okay,
We'll take
it's
our
worth
bag
of buying this particular big bag.
58 liters.
Yeah,
Then how do I lift there?
you can lift it easily.
We'll do that. This lock is not required, no?
No, not required. It is clip on.
I forgot. I thought it's mine. This a little bit heavy.
I will just keep it.
I can't see anything, man.
Still lift it. Yeah.
Locked up.
Yeah.
This side.
That's it.
Maybe this lock.
Yeah.
Shall I?
Yeah. Power.
Our luggage system is ready.
This is the tank bag we took. It is 3,500 Rhinox tag. It's a magnetic variable one. We can give the complete review of this product.
I'll give that later. We'll do one thing. We'll just pack it. We'll have also go ahead in front of the gate. We'll take some pictures. We'll leave. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go.
ఫస్ట్ టైం 5 అవర్లు గాడికి పోతుంది. రేపు కాదు, థర్డ్ డే ఇంకా చాలా ఉంటుందిరా. అది 400-500 కిలోమీటర్ల ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ఇంకా ఇంటికి. చిత్రదుర్గ ఇంకానే 400. ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్. అదే ఏమో బ్రేక్ కొట్టుకున్నట్టుందిరా. బ్రేక్ కొట్టుకుండానే స్లో అవుతా ఉందిరా. చూడే అప్పుందా ఇదే. ఇక స్లో అయిపోయా. నీది అట్లానా? నీది రైస్ చేసి క్లచ్ కొట్ట. అదేమో బ్రేక్ ఫుల్ బ్రేక్ కొడతా ఉంది. ఫుల్ పుట్టుకొనిస్తుంది బ్రేక్. వెనుకది వెనుకది బ్రేకు పోయా ఫుల్ ఆడిచ్చాకైతాలే. రే ఎనికిడ్రాలే. ఎనికిడ్రా, బ్రేక్ ఫుల్ పట్టుకోయింది. ಮುಂದಿರ್ದ ಏನಕ್ಕದ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಎತ್ಕನಿದೆ ಟೂಲ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಎತ್ಕ.
10 kilometers away from Dharmasthala.
My bike break down.
इसका बाइक ब्रेक डाउन हो गया क्या?
The thing is,
this guy was always putting pressure on the back brake. He was never using the front brake. It was almost 250 kilo bike. Before 10 kilometers, this caliper
the
got
caliper got jammed and it is gone. Oh, calipers are gone.
jammed. Calipers are gone, and we had a word with the Ducati technician. He told release the
Complete brake fluid.
brake
There
fluid.
is-
He told me to release it.
There is no fluid inside.
There's no fluid. He told me to release this cap. I opened it. Later he told me to release this nut actually to bleed it. But I didn't have 11 spawner. I had only 10 and 12. So he told me to loosen this one and press the brake. So the oil, all the oil has came out. So complete oil is gone. Then he told me to push this caliper, widen this. And now the brake is been released.
You can see the color of this disc. I'll just show you. Look at the color of this disc here, and I'll show you the front one. Look at the color of this disc. There is a huge difference. Look at this color.
You are using that.
And-
You are using that from long this one, no?
Look at this color.
So now we are going to almost we'll reach the Dharmasthala without having this back brake. We'll reach there, we'll figure it out. We need to use dot 4 oil, that's what Sunil has told us. We'll go there, we'll search a mechanic, we'll top up and we'll do a brake fluid there. Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
Come
it's a big,
Big learning for us.
learning for us and a big adventure.
Adventure.
The first time my brake got jammed, I was worried because there was no Ducati showroom for 400 kilometers.
No, anyway, problem is solved. You are not supposed to use back brake.
Yeah.
You have to use only front now.
Front brake, yeah.
Be very slow. We'll go at 50, 60, not more than that.
Yeah.
Okay? We'll go there
Yeah.
and we'll post it outside.
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್ ಮೋಟೋಲ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟಿ ವಿ ಎಸ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅದು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟಿ ವಿ ಎಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. వీళ్ళు మోటోలేమో యూస్ చేసేది. వద్దు రారా. డాట్ ఫోర్ యాడ్రా అప్పి ఇక్కడ కారు గ్యారేజ్ ఉంది, అదేనా? అగా ఇడు ఒకడు ఉన్నాడు గ్యారేజ్, 2 ఉన్నాయి, ಯಾವುದಂದು నాకు తెలియలే. బై ಯಾಡುಂಡವ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಬ್ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬ್ಲೀಡು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಂ, ಇದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
We are flushing out the oil now. So these are, do it slowly and we have to flush out. It's tight?
Yeah, flush it out.
It's 10 or 11?
10.
Huh?
10.
No, it is 11.
11. ఆయిల్ వచ్చినా
వస్తుంది.
టైట్ చేయి, అట్లే టైట్ చేసి అలా ఇమీడియట్ చూసుకొని కూకూడదు. చాలా టైట్ చేయదురా, తిరిగి లూజ్ చేయాలా. it's an adventurous trip for us. Now we learn how to flush the brakes. If it gets jammed, how to remove all these stupid things and free from the jam. It's a new thing. And
What
we
are
have
you
to
doing?
learn
You're
lot of
pressing.
things.
Straight, huh?
Yeah.
Shall I remove?
We have to learn a lot of things in this bike. Yeah, remove it.
कितना 11.
Open say. Straight shot like. Okay.
Okay. Let me pour water.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm pouring water because this is a dot for brake oil. If it falls on the any of the paint work, it's going to be damaged. The paint will be ripped off. So it is advised by one of the service guy. If you have water, pour it and rub it immediately. It's damn corrosive material.
Okay. I want to thank Mr. Sunil, service manager from VST Ducati for assisting. He helped me to freeze the.
From nowhere you got that.
He has.
Or else, see, if he would have not suggested, we have to tow this bike.
Yeah, he has suggested to open all these things. We made a video call with him, and he has assisted almost half an hour for us how to open all these things and refreeze it. And he told take to any mechanics and
Flush
tell
it.
them to flush the brakes. And they all these mechanics are like scooter guys. They doesn't know how to flush the brakes. And he told no, they doesn't know anything. Then he taught me how to flush it again. And
Straight up.
We tried to fix our bike ourselves, taking help of Ducati service team. We couldn't able to do that after trying for 3 hours. Since the entire oil was out and we tried to fill the reservoir and it has taken a year, it was very difficult to do it. So I posted some of the problems we are facing in a Triumph group, owners group, as well as Ducati's owners group. So we got a good response from them. They told there's only one person who can fix this issue. That is Yogesh Garage called Cat Racing. He is in Mangalore. It is almost 70 kilometers from the place where I was in Dharmasthala. So I explained about my trip, where I am going, everything. So they told it is hardly a 30-kilometer deviation. So it doesn't make more sense if you are going without the brakes. So they suggested me to go there. And I thank the Triumph group as well as Ducati owners group for helping me out. So it made my day better. So we reached Yogesh Garage. And I saw the place and it was awesome. There was 99% of the super bikes. That gave me more confident about this. Posted in the description, so you can check his things which he used to doing. Thank you.
Yeah, hi guys. Good morning everyone. We reached Mangalore. We are at Yogesh Garage. So getting this fixed now. You happy?
yeah,
So we'll post you once the brake pads everything is fixed. I'll update you on that. Thank you so much Triumph too.
okay. The thing is, they have pressurized and tried to pleat it. The brake reservoir valve got, the rubber got squeezed and it is jammed. Even though they pressurized, it was not going well.
Because
And
of this one
because
O-ring.
of this one small O-ring, it was off center, so that pressure was not building. So now they have removed the valve and they'll put it back in the right place. He is helping out. He is Mr. Yogesh from Cat Racing. He has all kind of super bikes. There is a Ducati 1200 and here is the Panigale 959. I think I am at the right place, is the right person. Here is a Z900. A lot of Harleys over here. Yeah, there is a Harley over here. This is a Daytona. I see a lot of bikes in this garage. There is a Monster over here. My bike is over there. And I see one vintage bike. It's a 2005 BMW 900, the touring bike. I think it looks pretty odd from the face, like 1990s headlight, launched in 2005.